express what we feel. Just take my hand.